I don't know, but this is organizational internal matter, and I haven't talked with him. He hasn't approached to me right now. We'll see what is the issue, but I don't think there is any major issue. He's a loyal soldier of the party, and he will do whatever responsibility he will given. And it's a very important responsibility what he has given.
Did you get his report?
Haven't talked with him right yet. Not
talk
he.
now?
He haven't called me right now. So I will, through in charge, I will make sure what is happened. But I don't think there is nothing, something like that.
Why this happened? Because he is claiming that he secured more votes in the election.
Election
But,
is over.
You choose another person.
Rahul become president after election. No, in Youth Congress, in Himachal Pradesh, when Tikka ji was state president, we make Manish Thakur, who was Anubi. Gujarat, same thing happened. We even make first VP. In Mumbai, this thing happened. So it is not a written thing, and that this thing. What we thought is best for the organization, we did that.
It is not necessary that the first runner-up should become.
It doesn't happen in Himachal Pradesh, not in Gujarat when Harpal Bhai become president. In Mumbai when Akhilesh Yadav become president, he was not first VP. In many states this thing happened.
Abin questions then the constitution and also this procedures.
No, this
Rahulji introduced this selection process. And
So election process was there, of course, but in that election process, I think Rahul got maximum votes and he became Youth Congress president. No, after that, what situation arises, you all are aware of that. After that, it's not the elected process. This is when we appoint. So it is not. Sometime we appoint. In many states, we have appointed Anubis as a state president.
do you ever consider the caste formula in Kerala for considering this post?
In India, we consider every. As Rahul ji is saying, we should give equal representation to every caste. Like OBC have so much population in the India, but BJP is not giving so much opportunity to OBCs, whether it is political or in bureaucratical. In bureaucracy also OBC office bearers, bureaucrats, IS officers not getting so much opportunity. So we in all over the country we follow the category caste census what Rahul ji is saying. Those who has so much percentage of population must get that percent of representation.
There is an allegation that usually in Kerala the group equations were always followed.
For us, there is no group. For us, we have only one thing, that is Indian Youth Congress. So in every state, there are some people goes with some senior leader, some guys goes with some other senior leader. But here, overall, at the end of the day, organization matters, and same case is there in Kerala.
After this request, will the decision
I don't think so. He's a loyal soldier and he's a potential candidate. We will discuss it. Let me hear what he has in his mind, what he want to share with me. I haven't contacted. We haven't shared thoughts right now, so I can't say anything. There is no dispute. Order has came. Within the matter of day, we will work together as a team because we want Kerala out of this criminal situation which is right now in Kerala. We want a progressive state government in Kerala. That matters. No, this is the internal cases. This happen in every family. It's not the new thing.
1,10,000 securing that election. That's the frame also for the president.
So what I am saying, this is not first time. The election process, when we gone through the election process, who got number one vote become the president, and who got runner-ups got VP number one. And that process, after that, when this situation arises, and this is not the first time this situation arises, it has happened in Himachal Pradesh, in Gujarat, in Mumbai, and sometimes we make national office bearers, the state president, who are good office bearers, whom we believe can do good work. So this is not any law or any rule. So this is not the first time it happened.
If he becomes a national secretary, then he has to switch to national other states and also. So he doesn't get enough time in Kerala.
This is our internal. We can sort out these things very easily. We are flexible for it. Yeah. What?
This is the first time that a working president has been appointed in Kerala. So it is to what actually?
So working presidents are many I think in main Congress we have working presidents in Karnataka, in Jammu Kashmir from where I belong to. So it is not the new thing.
Why Abhin is not considered for Makru President?
Abhin is the first VP. We can't make Abhin working president. Who we make Janesh state president. Abhin is a senior leader. We elevated it to national level. We can't make him working president. Janesh.
He said that he's interested to stay in Kerala. He wants to work
So,
in Kerala.
of course, no one. This is our democratic organization. No can take his right to work in Kerala. He will work in Kerala, of course.
Any
Thank you.
youth leader who makes any pressure on the pressure in the central leadership, especially
See, Congress, Youth Congress, don't work in pressure tactics, and I'm very happy to announce that no leader from the state is making pressure for this, because we have only one agenda: how to remove that current corrupt government of Kerala, and make a progressive government, UDF alliance, come back into power for the betterment of Kerala. That is our only agenda. Thank you.
Sir,